Hey everyone, I'm Dawn. I was one of the students of Dallas that took the workshop this week. It was called, I've got it on my notes, Get Clients Now workshop. It was for 5 days, and well, we got a little extra today, so that would have been 6. And then I think we're even going to get a little extra on Monday. And she's wonderful. If you have clients that you want to get them moving and shaking, her workshop or her program that she offers for, I believe it's 6 months, will get you going. And she teaches you how to develop your profile, your personal page, and get clients from the visitor standpoint all the way up to your fan, meaning real clients that are going to buy your programs and all the steps in between. So I highly recommend it if you have clients or you have potential clients that aren't doing anything and you want to get more visitors. She's definitely one I would recommend. And I just had some notes here, so didn't want to miss anything. But Dallas, she articulates well, she goes slow, she makes sure everybody's understands everything, and just a real fine person. I've been very blessed that I got to do this workshop this week. So thank you, Dallas. And when I get my business going, I'm still a student, coaching student, so I'm not quite there yet, but it certainly has given me something to look forward to. Alrighty, thank you.